Alright, so we are on question 3B of the BECE 2026 section B solution videos. And in this question we have the diagram shows the floor of a room with its dimensions. Find that is I, we have to find the perimeter. Then II, we have to find the area. And then III, we have to find the cost of carpeting the floor if a carpet costs 20 cedis per square meter. So the first thing that we are supposed to do is to find the perimeter. And perimeter is just the distance around an object. So if this is the floor of a room, then the perimeter is the total distance around the floor of that room. So it means we are going to take the distance from this side to this corner here, which they have said that it is 8 meters. Then from here to here, which is 3 meters. Then from here to here, that is this length to this length, and they said it's 5 meters. Then we have to take this length to this length. But watch here, you see that from here to here is 5 meters. See this length from here to here is 5 meters. That means this length also, that is this length, is also going to be 5 meters. But from here to here is 5 meters. So if we want this place, it means we have to subtract 3 from 5, because from here to here is the same length as from this side to this side. So watch here, this side to this side is the same length as this side to this side. So it means here is 3, that is from here to here is 3. But this to here is 5. So if I want just this part, it has to be 5 minus 3. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So it means this side is 2 meters. So we would have to add that as well. Then what we did here, we do the same thing for this length. So this length, which is 8 meters, it would have been the same if we had this length. That is, if we had the whole of this length. But we know that from here, that is from here to here is 5 meters. So if from here to here is 5 meters and the whole of the length is 8 meters, it means just this side is also going to be 8 minus the 5. So that when I add 3 to the 5, it is going to be 8, which is the same distance as we have from here to here. And if this is 3 meters, then it means here also is 3 meters. And remember that perimeter is the distance around the object, not inside of the object. So it means we are adding 8 meters, then we add this 3 meters, then we add this 5 meters, then we add the 2 meters to here, then the 3 meters that we got here, then we add the 5 meters, that is from here to here. So we are adding this that we found, then we add this as well, then we add the 5 meters. If you want to see how I got the 2 meters and the 3 meters, you can pause the video or go back a little bit to find out how. Okay, from here to here is 8 meters. So if just this part is 5 meters, it means I have to subtract this 5 from 8 to get this length. And if this length is 3 meters, then it means this length will also be 3 meters. That is the same thing for the 2 meters. From here to here is 5 meters. So if this side is 3 meters, then it means if I want just this portion, I have to subtract this 3 from the 5, and it will give me 2 meters. So to solve our question, we say that perimeter it implies distance. Perimeter implies distance around an object. And so that means the perimeter is going to be, that is, we have 8 meters, that is this side, plus 3 meters, plus the 5 meters. So it went here 8 meters, 3 meters, 5 meters. So it's like you are walking around the building. Okay, 5 meters. Then you walk to this side, it is 2 meters. So plus 2 meters. Then we need a little bit space, so you can continue here. So plus this 3 meters here. So 3 meters, then plus to the top here, so 5 meters. So we have 8 meters. That means the person who is measuring the perimeter was standing here. Then he moved all the way to this side, and that was 8 meters. Then he measured to this side, that is 3 meters. Then came here, from here to here is 5 meters. Then from here to here is 2 meters. Okay. Then he moved here, so 3 meters. Then from here to here, where we started from, is 5 meters. Then you simplify. If we are simplifying, we have 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. 11 plus 5, that is going to give us 15. No, 16, sorry. 11 plus 5 is going to give us 16. Then 16 plus 2 is going to give us what? 18. Then 18 plus 3 is going to give us 21. Then 21 plus 5 is going to be 26 meters. So we have 26 meters. We say therefore the perimeter is 26 meters. Alright, so you can write this down. I'm going to claim the solution for the perimeter, which was the I part of the question, so that we look at the area of the floor. Alright, so now let's look at the area of the floor, which is the II part of the question. So II, we are looking at the area of the floor. Now, area is the space that is enclosed by the object. Okay, so this space here, that has been enclosed by the object. Enclosed or covered by the object. So we are calculating the area. And what is the formula for area? It is length times what? Width. But this shape is not really a regular shape. We have to do some adjustments. Okay, so we can decide to do the adjustments in this way. We will draw dotted lines to this side, or you can decide to draw dotted lines to the top from here, so that you can get two rectangles, and then you call this one region A and this one region what? B. Okay, so let's do it this way. Let's say that we have the dotted lines to the top, so that this becomes region A, and this becomes region B. If you will do it this way, you will need to redraw this particular diagram in your answer sheet so that whoever is marking will know that this is what you did. Okay, remember, if you are given any shape like this and you need to have dotted lines and then get a region A and region B, then you need to use your pencil and then redraw the diagram in this way in your answer sheet. So don't forget. Okay, so here we can say that area for region A Well, first, let's even state the formula for area. Area equals length times width. Okay, area equals length times width. So area of region A. So what will be the dimension for the length of region A? So this is region A. This is the region that we are talking about. So this can be our length. That is the 3 meters down here, and then the 5 meters will be our width. So this is region A, this rectangle. Okay, so this becomes our length, and the width becomes 5 meters. So area of region A becomes what? 3 meters plus 5 meters. And that will give us 3 meters times 5 meters. And that will give us what? 15. That is 3 times 5 is 15 meters. And remember, the unit for area is unit squared. So 15 meters squared. Don't forget. Now we have to calculate the area for region B. So area of B. So now we are looking at this portion. So we've calculated the area for region A, then we have to calculate the area for region B. So that is also going to be what? This is going to be the length, and this is going to be what? The width. Okay, this is going to be the length, and this is going to be the width. So that is also going to be 5 times 3. So that is 5 meters multiplied by 3 meters. That is also going to give us what? 15 meters squared, because 5 times 3 is what? 15. Okay, so then when you are done, we have to calculate the total area. So it means we have to add the area of region A to the area of region B. So we say that total area is giving us area A, or area of region A plus area of B. So area of A plus the area of B, and that is 15 meters squared plus another 15 meters squared, and that is going to give us 15 plus 15 is 30 meters squared. So it means that, or you say therefore, the total area of the floor is 30 meters squared. There is another way we could have even found the area as well. We can assume that the total, we can draw an imaginary rectangle here, okay, so that we calculate the full area of this shape. Okay, if we were to do that, it means our length is going to be what? 8 meters, then our width is going to be what? 5 meters. When we do that, we are going to get 8 times 5, which would have been what? 40. Then when we are done, we will calculate the area of the shape. Okay, so look at here. This is 5, and from here to here is 2. So 5 times 2 would have been 10. So this side would have been 10 meters squared. And the total is what? 40 meters squared. And since this wasn't part of the shape, it means we have to subtract this from the total area. And that would have been 40 minus 10. And 40 minus 10 is what? 30, which was the same that we got, was the same answer that we got for the total area of the shape that we are actually considering. Alright, so we got 30 meters squared for the floor of the room. So now let's go to the II part, which says that if a carpet costs 20 cedis per square meter, so 1 square meter is 20 cedis, how much will it cost to carpet the whole floor? So the person who is building, or the person whose house is this, wants to know how much it will cost to carpet this whole floor. Okay, the area is 30 meters squared, but then if the person is going to buy a carpet 1 meter square, okay, 1 meter, that's what it means by per square meter. 1 square meter is 20 cedis, so 30 will be how much? That's what it means. So you can write the solution for the II part. Alright, so this is the II part, and we know that the total area is what? The total area of floor. You know that the total area of floor, we've done the calculation, and it was 30 meters square. But we've been told that a square meter, that is 1 meter square. That's what it means. The square meter is 1 meter square. 1 meter square, or 1 square meter, is equal to what? 20 cedis. So if we are buying a carpet, 1 meter square is 20 cedis. So if 1 meter square is 20 cedis, then 30 meters squared will be what? Okay, so if 1 meter square is 20 cedis, then 30 meters squared is going to be what? Which is definitely going to be more, and if more, let's divide. So we have 30 meters squared over 1 meter squared multiplied by 20 cedis. And now the meter squared and meter squared will cancel out. 30 over 1 is the same as 30, so we have 30 multiplied by 20 cedis, and 3 times 2 is 6. We have 2 zeros here, so bring our CD sign. 3 times 2 is 6. Then we have 2 zeros here, so I bring my 2 zeros. So it means 30 times 20 is what? 600. So it means that if the person wants to carpet the whole floor of the room, it is going to cost the person 600 cedis. So you say that, therefore, 30 square meter will cost 600 Ghana cedis. So 30 square meter, 1 square meter was 20 cedis. So 1 square meter, every 1 square meter is 20. So 30 will be what? That is 30 times of 20. And 30 times 20 is 600. So it means the person will use 600 cedis to buy carpets to be able to carpet the entire area of the room. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel to help us grow, and please share this video to your friends to also learn. See you in another video. Goodbye.